The JBL Pro Connect app is a universal control application available for Android and iOS phones and tablets. JBL Pro Connect opens up a world of possibilities for hands-on control over a full suite of mixer, DSP, and Bluetooth features. Today, we're pleased to introduce the new version 2.1 update for the JBL Pro Connect app. Along with general performance improvements, this new update also brings some brand new features that we'll be covering here in this video. Once you successfully update the Pro Connect app, make sure to also check your speaker for any new firmware updates. Check out our Anytime Help Center for instructions and videos on updating if you're not sure about your speaker's firmware version. In this update, we're happy to bring some improvements to the speaker grouping functionality. In addition to being able to group speakers, you can now group channels inside of the mixer view. Once inside the desired speaker, tap the grouping icon in the top right corner. Next, select the group icons for the channels that you'd like to group. Once done, press the check mark on the right-hand side to confirm your selections. You'll now see your channels grouped, allowing level control and muting by using the controls on the left-hand side of each group. You can even name your groups by selecting the pencil icon here. Another addition to this update is the new Media Player widget, allowing you to control your streaming music without the need to leave the Pro Connect app. Head back to the main menu, then to the App Settings. Here, you'll find the setting to enable the Media Control widget. Enable it, then select your primary app for streaming audio. Once done, you can now see the widget here on the top of the app, allowing you to pause and play your streaming music from inside of the app. Remember that you must be paired to your speaker for audio streaming for the widget to appear. We advise to not leave the app running in the background for extended periods of time to avoid potential disruptions with the speaker connections. Thanks for watching. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at jblpro.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmanpro.com.